Hi, I'm Al with Steam Plus Cleaning and Restoration. And if you're looking for a cleaning company that actually cares about your home, then I'm glad you're here. We know how frustrating it is to deal with dirty carpet, worn out tile, or mystery stains. That's why our team is trained, certified, and equipped to handle it all with precision and care. But we're not just about clean floors. We're about delivering you peace of mind. With Steam Plus, you get a 12-step deep clean that's customized to your specific surfaces. And depending on what your home needs, we offer 2 different cleaning methods, low moisture and traditional steam. We've also made it super easy to get started. Use our online instant quote tool or just call us or text us directly at 608-333-1415. We're always here to help. And as a bonus, our technicians offer free extras like UV light inspection for pet stains or a cleaning and performance test on the vacuum at your home. Just ask us. With over 250 5-star Google reviews, we're proud to be Madison's go-to cleaning company. So if you want results that look amazing and last, Steam Plus is your solution. We don't just clean, we care. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to serving you soon.